So we
Right,
can't
right,
be
right.
denied. We can't be just ignored or neglected. See, our
Mhm.
contribution is a lot to the society. We have contributed a lot. And we are contributing
Right.
and we will be contributing.
Definitely sharing your knowledge to others and making them understand that what you want to tell them is really difficult because
Yes.
understanding the other mindset is a difficult one. Yeah, I agree with that.
But it
Okay.
is the toughest job of the world. I'm just telling you. Teaching is the toughest job of the world. Okay, I'm an English teacher, and
Okay.
yes, and I work in CBSE school. CBSE or ICSE means in both the boards I can work properly. So I have been teaching for in these schools 20 years. For 20 years, I'm teaching.
20 years. Okay.
Yes. So actually, I don't have time by 2:30 every day. So after 2:30 only, I just procure time out of my busy schedule. That is the
Okay.
thing.
So you are teaching English, right?
Yes, yes, yes. Spoken English
So
teacher I am.
spoken English teacher. Okay. So which
Huh.
class range you do you teach? Like there is any specific or normally you teach for the student?
See, before taking up this particular position of spoken
Mm-hmm.
English teacher, I was teaching English in the classes like chapter 1, 2, 3, and grammar part
Okay.
and correction of the notebooks and all and all and all. But it became later so tedious and tiring and so boring
Mm-hmm.
that I just gave up all that work, and I just thought to
Okay.
pick up this thing, the spoken English teacher. In this, what I do, I help I help the student to speak English very well in a proper way. I give them
Okay.
situation and conditions regarding their surroundings or any situation, any condition I give them, and they enact the same situation.
Okay, that's why
Yes,
you have mentioned me in your email that the interested topic is like social media, neighbor, and this all the things.
yes,
I have
yes,
read your
yes, yes.
email.
I
That's
had sent you. I had sent you those topics.
topics. Yeah,
Yes.
actually, but personally, you are a teacher. Okay, I with all your respect, but what I feel that when I we are talking to the stranger, so instead of talking to the particular topic, we should be like free to talk anything because we don't know about the person, like who you are, from where you are, what you do actually. So suddenly we start with some topics.
This
So
is
it's
our
really
first
difficult.
meeting. This is our first meeting actually.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, as of
Mm.
a stranger, it's difficult to have a conversation on the topics. Personally,
Yes.
I feel because we don't know the people. Like, suppose I'm a student, I'm talking, you are a teacher, you have more than experience in your life. Even my age is not that much. Okay, I'm 21, you have a 21 years of experience. So it's difficult to match the thoughts on the same topic. So that is the reason.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so how was your day has been? It's I think evening, 5 o'clock right now, 4:30. Yeah.
Evening, see, after coming back from school, what do? I just get freshen up, and then I
Mhm.
just have my food. I meet a meal. I just have,
Okay.
and afterwards at around 5, I have my tea, evening tea, snacks, and then
Okay.
slowly, gradually, just preparing the meal for night. That is called dinner or supper.
Okay.
Also, you can say supper. Also, we can say. So in the
Okay.
and right sharp at 10, I go to bed. I hit the sack because
Oh,
right
okay.
5 in the morning I just rise. I rise 5 in the morning every day. This
Wow,
is my
great
schedule.
job.
But it
Okay.
is the toughest job of the world. I'm just telling you. Teaching is the toughest job of the world.
Definitely sharing your knowledge to others and making them understand that what you want to tell them is really difficult because
Yes.
understanding the other mindset is a difficult one. Yeah, I agree with that. Because
Because
I had
whosoever
also
later
thought,
becomes politician or any engineer and scientist and all, they means their early life has just gone through the this thing only, school life. Their
Right,
early
right, right.
life has already gone through teachers, means I think teaching part and all. So we
Right,
can't
right,
be
right.
denied. We can't be just ignored or neglected. See, our
Mhm.
contribution is a lot to the society. We have contributed a lot, and we are contributing,
Right.
and we will be contributing.
Great. Yeah, actually, because teachers are the only one who can show the path to the student and they can grow,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes, yes. We work on the roots actually. We
Correct.
work secretly. We work on the root. We are not noticed. See, nobody notices
Hmm.
us. We are forgotten
Right.
later on. When the person becomes engineer or any means holds high position, who remembers the teacher who taught in class 3, 4, 5, 6 onwards or till class 12? Who remembers? No one remembers. But we work on the
Actually,
root. We strengthen the foundation. This is the
one
thing.
thing I would tell you, yeah, one thing I would tell you, for the teacher, as you said, nobody remember. Yeah, in the mostly of the cases, it happened. Okay, but the student never forget. Okay, the teacher who has shows them the right direction, and for them, the student are on the right position. Okay, if you talk about me in my school times, there were many of the teachers. I'm not criticizing, but they don't take care of their work. Actually, that they are actually teachers. They don't they don't
Of course,
fulfill
this
their
also happens.
responsibilities.
This also happens. This also
Yeah,
happens.
but there are few teachers which still I have remember, and still on the 5th September every year I used to connect them and wish them happy Teachers Day. And they all are my school teachers. Okay, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, these all the teachers I am connected because they have shows me the good way and they have taught me in a good way. Okay, which I'm never going to forget. Okay, so it's not like that. You have to make the space into the student because see there is something unique we always remember in our mind, so same like that.
See, this is the universal truth that who remembers the teachers. I'm not
Yeah,
telling that
it's a right.
everyone, every child walks in the similar fashion. No, no, no. It is not like that.
Right, right, right. Correct.
Still, my students who had studied under my kind control, I think before 5 or 6 years ago. So
Okay.
they still remember me. They still message me.
See,
They text me, and
see.
they yes wish me on Teachers' Day, and they say that ma'am, you just please come back. And now I have just gone a long way through to other place. How can I come back? So this is the thing I
See.
understand, but it's a universal truth that later who remembers. This is the thing. But yes, when I see my teachers on the street, I just immediately go to them and just wish them. This
Hmm.
soft feeling and tender means feelings are still there in my heart for my teachers.
Yeah, I think as I have the teachers only want that recognition that he can get recognized while his students, right?
Yes, yes, yes.